I want to see top 5 list of customer. Okay, for this I will be creating different type of visual. I'm just trying to use every visual for you. So whatever is related to your job, you can you would be familiar with that particular visual. So for this purpose, I would be using stack bar chart. So what we are going to do, so we want to check the 5 top customers, right? So for that purpose I'm taking the stack bar. So let me just drag it over here and just let me arrange it so we can properly see it. Okay, so how we can use the filter over here. So I took the stack chart and now I want to check. See, the revenue is already here. I just clicked revenue. It will go the x-axis and I want to customer name, right? Full name. Okay, I just type here full name. Okay, let me just put it on the focus mode. So you can see a lot of name over here, but what we want a 5 top most customer in the company, right? So for that purpose you will be familiar with the filter. So we are going to use the filter. So I would go under the filter tab. So here you can see, you can check here are the 3 types of filter. So filter on this visual, that means this filter will work on only this visual. This filter on visual. Add data fields here, that means filter on this page. So filter will be applicable to this particular page only. This is top line report. So if you put here over here the condition, so that condition will be applicable to in this page only. So filter on all pages. So this is our first page. If we have a number of pages and if you put some condition over here, so it will be applicable to all the pages, right? So let me put it again on the focus mode. So we want to check the full name. So once I click over here, I can see here the basic filtering. So I'm not going to go over here and click on the every name and check every name. I'll just click over here and top option is here. Top, how many customers we need? 5. Just type 5. So add data fields. So why this add data field is here? So this data field will ask you on what basis you need the 5 top customer. So we want the 5 top customers on the basis of their revenue, who have generated the more revenue for us, right? So we already have a revenue. So just take this, drop it, drag and drop it over here. And once you apply the filter, you will see the 5 customer over here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go to the back to the page. See, I'll just make it large. So these are your 5 topmost customer, right? So let me just format painter. Just click over here. See, okay, again, so the work is done. So let's go to our data labels. So do we want a data labels? Okay, yes, we want data labels. So just click on this again, general, under that properties, what we have to change? I don't want that name. So under the title you can see the full name by revenue by full name. Instead of that I want type top 5 customer by revenue. Top 5 customers, right? It's got changed. Okay, so this is how you can use this. Again, you know it, what I want to put a line over here. So again we have to change rotation under the shape. You have to keep 270 degree. Okay, so I hope that you got how we identified. So you got the familiar about the filters and we use which type of map? Stacked bar chart.